Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. तो देख लेते हैं आज का लीड कोड. Let's open this. The process string with special operations. Okay, you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and then special characters star, hash, and ampersand. Build a new string result by processing S according to the following rules from left to right. Okay. If the letter is lowercase English letter, directly append into the result. Uh, and then star, a star removes the last character from the result if it exists. Hash duplicates the current result and append it to itself. And this ampersand reverses the current result and then return the final result after processing all the characters in the string. Meaning, so here we are duplicating AA and we are appending and then we are reversing and then we are deleting the last character, and here we appended, we remove the last character, and we try to duplicate, and the length is small, and I guess yeah, it looks simple, but let's see what happens, what errors we got. uh let's put result with a string builder, and then let's start to get the character from S. Okay. Now here we can check the character if C is less than, oh, I guess we can directly check if C is equal to star. This means what? Remove last character if exist. Okay. Now else if uh, hash. Okay, what it does, duplicates the current result. Okay, and append to itself. Else C is equal to ampersand. What it does, reverse. Okay, else it's a special character need to append into the result, right? And result of the string need to return. That is what we need to do. Now here if exists, if uh, result dot uh, length is greater than 0, in that case we have to remove, right? So result dot delete cap at result dot length minus. Okay, it deletes if exists. Now here we are trying to duplicate, right? So result dot, let me see what the duplicate actually doing. So whatever we have duplicated, duplicate it, duplicate the current result and append to itself. Okay, then result of the system. Okay, and here it's reversing. Okay, and let's see what's happening. Okay, and and let's try to submit. Okay, it's accepted. Is there somewhere mentioned that we are not supposed to, use the string builders? No, not mentioned. So I guess then it's correct one. Now let's see the GFG. Construct list using XOR queries. So we have query and initially single value 0. Array contains a single value 0, and then we have query of size q where each query is of one of the following 0x. What is this? Insert x into the array, and then 1x meaning replace every element a in the array with a XOR x, where this denotes bitwise XOR obviously. And the query is itself a long short. Okay, so it's meaning that replace every element with this XOR. Okay, and later again we might have to insert some element into the array, right? For example, initially we have 0, and then we added 6 into the list, then 3 into the list, then 1, 2 into the list. Sorry, am I right? 3, 6, 3, and then 2. Then we XOR every element with 4, and then every element with the 5. And this is what we got. Okay. So might happen that we XOR with element, and then some element is added, right? And when we try to do the XOR stuff at the end, then it might mess it up. So we have to make sure whenever we have an XOR, okay, then we are tracking the size of the size of list. And at last we perform XOR with that uh, with that. So mm, so what I'm thinking is, this is 10 to the power 5, the queries we have, and here it's showing that XOR 4. Can we do something like something like is there somewhere we can use prefix stuff? Okay, let me first put the brute force approach into the picture, then we optimize it. Okay, so firstly we have 0, right? Then for int query for queries, and then in the this shows operation and this shows x. If operation is 0, meaning we need to add x into the array. Else we have to make sure we are doing XOR this particular. Okay, and let's put for uh, I is equal to 0 to I less than result dot size plus I, and result dot get result dot get I XOR this x, right? This is what we need to do and return the result. What happened? Uh, if operation is, let me check again. If it's 0, then add into the result. And at last, result dot set. We are doing XOR with these items. This with 4 and these item with 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. And what was we are getting? 1, 7, 2, 3. Uh, result dot get and doing XOR and put using set operation to set this number. And what is happening here? We are messing up. We are messing up. What is happening? So when we do XOR with 0, then it's 4, and then it's this and this and this, and then we do XOR with 5. This becomes 1, right? And this becomes 7. This becomes 2, and this becomes 3. And after performing all queries, the sorted list after performing all. Okay, we need to return the sorted list, I guess. Collections dot sort this result and return this result. Okay, we were missing with the sorted. Okay, and this is what we are doing, right? So let's try to submit. It will give DLE for sure, I guess. Yeah, it's giving. Now we need to optimize. Since it's needed sorted on, the end login is still there. Okay. And this is big of end log. Okay. So how we can optimize this second operation? Okay. And and for each element we have to do XOR by 4. How we can optimize? It's not giving the range कि हम directly segment tree की तरफ सोचें. Okay, we have to think. And give me 1 minute. कुछ तो आया है कॉलेज ग्रुप पर. ओके, तो यार कुछ एग्जॉस्ट की प्रॉपर्टी लग रही होगी यहाँ पे. ओके, तो क्या करें? हम्म, मान लो कि यहाँ तक मुझे एग्जॉस्ट 4 करना ही करना है, राइट? तो सामने वाले एलिमेंट्स के ऊपर पहले से अगर मैं एक्सऑर करूँ तो मैं शायद इससे बच सकता हूँ, राइट? तो सिमिलर यहाँ पर भी मैं ऐसे कर सकता हूँ कि सामने वाले एलिमेंट्स को एक्सॉर 5 लेके ही चलना है, ठीक है? ओनली नॉट एक्सॉर 5 बट एक्सॉर 5 एंड एक्सॉर 4 लेके चलना है. ऐसा अगर करूँगा तो आई गेस एट द एंड मैं अगर सब लिस्ट पर एक्सॉर 4 एंड 5 फिर से वही उतना ही मिलेगा, राइट? क्योंकि एट द एंड मुझे इस एक्सॉर वाले स्टफ एक्चुअली नहीं करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो मैं क्या करूँगा कि एक एलिमेंट लूँगा एक्सऑर करके, ठीक है? एक वेरिएबल जो ट्रैक करेगा प्रीवियस एक्सऑर एंड इट विल पुट द एक्सऑर and to the next elements. Okay, and this is nothing but 0 XOR 4 XOR 5, right? तो XOR 4 और XOR 5 मैं पहले से ही कर लूँ, and at the end मैं सब पर वो चीज़ लगा दूँ, राइट? सो आई वाज़ थिंकिंग कि यहाँ पर मैं के लिए निकाल देता हूँ एक सॉल्व करके, ठीक है? एंड इनिशियली 0 ले लेता हूँ इसे एंड देन यहाँ पर इन दिस केस मैं ये लूप नहीं चलाऊँगा, जस्ट XOR ये तो ऐसे करके ये X कर लूँगा एंड जो भी सामने वाले एलिमेंट्स आएँगे उनके ऊपर वो XOR लगता चला जाएगा, ओके? एंड इन द एंड और in I is equal to 0, the I less than uh, result dot size and plus I, and what I can do is result dot set I, result dot get I, and this XOR, ठीक है? ऐसे let's see ये अब भी सही आ रहा है, okay? I have to check for this one. मैं ऐसे ऐसे लिखता हूँ, let's see तो ये रन कर रहा है लेकिन let's से तो ये हो गया, okay? So this is, I guess, how it works. So yeah, thank you for watching. Okay.